Hello, everyone. Welcome back to NV English Learning Podcast. I'm Noor.
And I'm Eman. We are so happy you are here again with us.
Today's topic is very important and honestly a little confusing too.
Oh, yes. I remember when I was learning. Should, would, need, needed. My brain was like, what is happening?
Same here. But don't worry, today we will make it very simple, very real, and very easy. Okay, Eman, let's start with a simple question. You are tired. What will you say?
I should rest.
Good. Now, if you are planning politely,
I would like to rest.
perfect. Now, if it is necessary,
I need to rest.
excellent. Let's make it very easy. Should equals advice. Would equals polite, imagine, itcha. Need equals necessity. Needed equals past necessity.
Oh, this is already feeling easier.
Should means advice. You should study. You should sleep early. You should drink water.
Like when Mother says, you should eat food.
Exactly. Real life English. Real example. Imagine exam tomorrow.
I should study now. I should not waste time.
Now, would. Polite, soft, emotional.
Example?
I would like tea. I would help you. I would love to learn English. Celebrity moment. Imagine you meet Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, I would love to meet you, sir. I would like a selfie.
That sounds natural and respectful. Celebrity moment. Need means something important. I need water. I need help. I need to study.
Like when I am tired. I need rest.
Yes, perfect. Now, past. I needed help yesterday. I needed sleep. I needed support.
So it's finished in past?
Exactly. Let's compare. I should study. Advice. I need to study. Important. I would like to study. Choice.
Oh, now I understand deeply.
Let's talk like friends.
Okay.
Hey, you look tired.
Yeah, I think I should rest.
Yes, you should take care.
I would like to relax today.
Good. You need rest. Now, feelings.
I would like to be happy. I should stay positive. I need support sometimes.
That's real English. Let's talk about Virat Kohli.
He should practice daily. He needs discipline. He would win matches.
What's about Priyanka Chopra?
She would act beautifully. She should choose strong roles. She needs confidence.
Let's create a story. Yesterday, I needed help.
I should ask my friend. I would feel better. I need support.
Wow, this feels natural.
Nor. I should to go. I should go. I need go. I need to go. I would go to like. I would like to go. Part 13. Long conversation. Advanced. Nor. Let's go deeper. How has your week been? Eman. Honestly, I have been very busy. I needed rest. I should manage my time better. But I would like to improve my routine. That's excellent. Part 14. Life lesson. Nor. Life is not perfect. Eman. Yes, we should stay strong. We need patience. We would grow slowly. Part 15. Practice. Now you speak. I should. I would. I need. I needed. Pause. Eman, good job. Keep practicing.
So, final summary. Noor. Should is advice. Would is polite or feeling. Need is important. Needed is past. Eman. Use them daily, and your English will improve fast. Noor. You don't need perfect English. Eman. You need confident English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up. See you next time.